Hello, darlings. It's a pleasure to have you join me today. Welcome to Skardu, a jewel in the crown of Pakistan. This breathtaking valley is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Nestled in the heart of Gilgit-Baltistan, this place is a dreamscape. The landscapes here are so surreal they seem almost otherworldly. Imagine towering mountains that touch the sky, crystal clear rivers that sparkle in the sunlight, and the kindest people you'll ever meet. That's Skardu. The locals here are incredibly warm and welcoming. My journey here was nothing short of magical. Every turn reveals a new wonder. Every moment feels like a scene from a fairy tale. The air crackles with an energy you won't find anywhere else. It's fresh, invigorating, and fills you with a sense of adventure. This is a land where history whispers on the wind, and adventure awaits around every corner. From ancient forts to thrilling treks, there's something here for everyone. Fasten your seatbelts, darling, because we're in for a treat. Get ready to explore, experience, and fall in love with the enchanting beauty of Skardu. Getting to Skardu was half the adventure. The journey itself was a mesmerizing experience, filled with moments that took our breath away. The winding roads through the Karakoram range were simply breathtaking. Each twist and turn revealed a new aspect of nature's grandeur, making us feel like explorers on a timeless quest. Each turn brought a new vista of snow-capped peaks and lush green valleys. The contrast between the pristine white of the peaks and the vibrant green of the valleys was a sight to behold, a perfect harmony of nature's palette. We passed through small villages where life goes on at its own pace. These villages, nestled in the mountains, seemed untouched by the rush of modern life, offering a glimpse into a simpler, more serene existence. Children waved, their smiles as bright as the sun glinting off the snow. Their joy and innocence were infectious, reminding us of the simple pleasures in life. It's amazing to witness the resilience and spirit of the people who call this challenging terrain home. Despite the harsh conditions, their warmth and hospitality were unwavering, a testament to the strength of the human spirit. Our first stop was the legendary Shangri-La Resort. Remember that book, Lost Horizon? This place truly lives up to its name, a paradise on earth. Imagine a pristine lake reflecting the majestic mountains with charming wooden cabins dotting the landscape. It's truly a feast for the eyes. We even took a traditional shikara ride on Lower Kachura Lake. The serenity was just what the doctor ordered. Section 4, a date with history and nature. No trip to Skardu is complete without a visit to Deosai National Park, the second highest plateau in the world. This breathtaking expanse stretches over 3,000 square kilometers and sits at an average elevation of 4,114 meters. It's a place where the sky meets the earth in a seamless horizon. Deosai means the land of giants, and you'll understand why when you witness its vastness. The sheer scale of the plains is humbling, making you feel like a tiny speck in the grand tapestry of nature. Rolling plains carpeted with wildflowers, each bloom adding a splash of color to the green canvas. In spring, the entire landscape transforms into a vibrant mosaic of hues, a sight that is both mesmerizing and soothing to the soul. Snow-capped peaks piercing the sky, standing tall and majestic. These peaks are a reminder of the raw, untamed beauty of nature, a beauty that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. It's a sight that will stay with me forever. The golden hour bathes the landscape in a warm, ethereal glow, making it feel like a scene straight out of a fairy tale. We even spotted marmots scampering about. Absolutely adorable, these little creatures add a touch of liveliness to the serene landscape. Their playful antics are a joy to watch. And then there's Skardu Fort, standing sentinel over the city for centuries. This ancient fort with its weathered stones and towering walls tells tales of a bygone era of battles fought and won, of a city that has stood the test of time. The views from the top are simply staggering, offering a panoramic vista of the city below. From this vantage point, you can see the entire valley spread out before you, a patchwork of green fields, winding rivers, and bustling streets, offering a glimpse into the valley's strategic importance throughout history. The fort's location, perched high above the city, provided a perfect lookout point, a place from which to survey the land and protect the people below. It's a place where history and nature come together in a perfect harmony, creating a timeless beauty that is both captivating and inspiring. Section 5. The warmth of Skardu. But what truly makes Skardu special is its people. Their warmth and hospitality are as boundless as the landscapes themselves. We spent an afternoon at a local bazaar, a riot of colors, aromas and sounds. The craftsmanship here is incredible. From hand-woven carpets to intricate woodwork, each piece tells a story. Section 6, until next time, Skardu. So there you have it, my darlings, a glimpse into the magic that is Skardu. From its breathtaking landscapes and rich history to its warm-hearted people, this hidden gem has captured a piece of my heart. If you're looking for an adventure that feeds the soul, look no further. Until next time, Skardu. Stay tuned for more adventures.